Hey guys, so I'm gonna do the last one. It's the paleta payaso. Queda muy bien el nombre. So aquí está. Está con madre este pedo. The yellow one was the scent. I don't know. They should make that into like a scent for cars. So it's very ooey. Está bien therapeutic. So what I like about it is que te echan las pens con el activator and instructions. Like if it's too sticky, do a spray of activator. If it's too hard, so just make sure your kids always put it back in the can que viene para que les dure un rato. Make sure to check them out. They're there in La Plaza Mall outside of Old Navy, I believe. So vamos a me dan ansias. So la vamos a hacer. La vamos a echar la paleta payaso. Just put it in and mix it or what? La quedó. Vamos a ver qué pasa. This is like a magic trick. Se deshace. It's bubbly. It smells like orange. It smells citrusy. It smells pretty good. So vamos a ver qué color se irá haciendo. I don't know how she does it in her videos. She like handles it pretty cool. Like starts stretching it out and. So there you have it, guys. Crazy Slime RGV. Make sure to check them out. If you're gonna have a birthday party for your kids, if you just want to have fun, they have all kinds of kits there. Your kids' party would be awesome. These are all awesome treats. You can like, I don't know. Let's say you're gonna have 30 kids over. You buy them. Cada quien tiene su set. You can get them as prizes for party games, whatever. Check them out. Crazy Slime RGV at La Plaza Mall. I'm gonna tag them on top. Thank you.
I do it again?